In this problem, it says, given graph of a function, find the value of the inverse function. So it says, given the function f of x whose graph is shown below, determine f inverse of -2. So we know that domain and range switch for the inverse. So for the inverse function. So if they ask us to find f inverse of -2, we need to go and find the output. So f inverse of -2, if you imagine the coordinate for that, that'd be -2 comma some y value, right? Well, the original, so this is for f inverse. So the original function, if we know they switch, would have had an output of -2. So let's go on this function to a y value of -2 and scroll over until we hit the function, and we hit that original function right here. So that original function's number for x would have been -1. So the original function had a -1 for an x value. And we're just getting this from the information they're giving us. So remember, the domain and range switch, so if I have -1 for the input and -2 for the output for the f of x function, f inverse -2 is the input, then -1 is going to be the output here for your y value. And that's how you find the value for the inverse function.